What's up? You guys, I've been wanting to go live for a while to tell you about this awesome story, especially because it has to do a little bit with pizza, but it's been crazy. So here I am going live tonight while my kids are at their church activities, and also because I'm wearing all the colorful things. I got my colorful sweater on, I got my colorful Adidas and my rainbow socks on, all the things. So comment with an emoji if you're watching and say hi. I'm really excited to share this adorable little story about the power of pizza and mostly about the power of vision boards. So let me preface this before I read this story and this letter I got in the mail from one of my team members. I have to explain. So this letter I got was from one of the ladies on Team Nailed It, and I had offered a really fun weekend getaway in 2018 for 2 people on my team to enter to win, and so that will kind of explain how a little bit of background on this. So here's the letter she wrote me. And here is the adorable, sparkly pizza card she sent with it. And this pizza card has everything to do with vision boards. So let me explain. And if you guys don't know this about me, I'm like a huge advocate in vision boards. I have my own. Our family did one a couple weeks ago for family home evening. We made poster board vision boards. I also did this with the local ladies on my team. I think they are so powerful. I've been doing them for the past 4 years. Some crazy things have happened thanks to vision boards, including I won this wedding ring thanks to a vision board. So I'm a huge advocate, and apparently so is the girl who sent me this letter. Her name is Gage. So let me read this to you really quick. She said, "Kelly, would you believe me when I told you that I bought this card for you before I won the trip to California?" She said, "My mind is still blown, but you now can call me a believer in vision boards." After I won the one-on-one mentoring session, so she won just a little phone call with me for something, and she said, after I won that, I bought this card as a thank you. And then she said, shortly after I bought it, you announced the opportunity to win a trip to Cali, which is where I live. And she said, I do my power hour every day. And when you announced the trip, I put it on my vision board and told myself I was going to win it. I literally said the words out loud, call me crazy, I'm willing myself, and I quote, I'm willing myself to win this trip. And then she said, God, when she does the drawing, make me the winner. So I had no idea about this whole backstory. And then she said, I'm going to win. I know it, blah, blah, blah. So she said those words out loud, which I'm a huge believer in affirmations too. I think they're very powerful. I'm always telling my kids, be careful what words you say after I am. Make sure that they're positive and they're things you want to happen in your life. Hi, Becky. Hi, Amanda and Lisa and all my friends. Anyway, she said, saying these affirmations kept me doing my power hour. Not only did it keep my eye on the prize, but it helped me continue to grow my business during one of the hardest months of the year. She's talking about December, which is crazy for everyone. Am I right? She said, after we had our one-on-one mentoring call that she had earned, she went to write a thank you letter on this pizza card. And she said, but I realized the words on the inside did not exactly fit the reason for sending the card. So let me read the words on the inside so you know what she's talking about. The words on the inside say, we should celebrate with pizza. So she was just gonna send me a thank you for doing a one-on-one call with her, but it doesn't really work, that as a thank you. So she said, the words inside didn't exactly fit the reason for sending the card. So I literally said the words out loud, that's okay, I'll just send this to her after I win the trip. And then Kelly, I won, which is true. Polly won, and I did not rig it. You guys, my assistant picked the winner, and I was like blown away when I found out it was Polly. She said, I'm convinced vision boards are legit, and I'm excited to say for 2019, I've put on rank advance to national executive, and I'm ready to do the work. She said, I'm looking forward to the cruise, which she earned, and our get together in June, which is what she won and what she manifested into her life thanks to the vision board. And she said, thanks for everything, Kelly. P.S. No, but seriously, thank you for your amazing leadership and all you give to others. You're inspiring. I hardly know you, and I just love you to pieces. Thank you. La, la, la. And she said, P.P.S. We will really have to celebrate over pizza, which, of course, Polly and I are going to be eating pizza. That's for dang sure. When she comes down in June for her trip to Cali. But I was blown away. She did not tell me this. She just sent me the pizza card and that letter, and I was like, holy crap, that's the power of vision boards. I'm a huge advocate. If you haven't done a vision board, you guys, here's the thing I love about vision boards, because we all make resolutions in January, right? And by the time February comes around, those resolutions are usually like they did not happen. But the thing I love about vision boards is they are visuals of what we want to come into our life. And when you put them on paper and you look at it often. So I put mine on the back of my door so I can see it every day. When you look at it often, it's like ingrained in your brain, and you have those visuals of like, hey, I want to go on this trip, or I want to do this thing. Like I want my family to learn how to surf, like different things that I have on my vision board. They're in my brain now. They are the things I want to focus on for 2019. And those things don't leave. Versus having like our resolutions that we ruin, that we don't stick to after a few weeks. So that's what I love about vision boards. They're really powerful and effective. So they have really helped me every year. I've done them for about 4 years. They've helped me so much because it reminds me like, oh yeah, in November, I'm still looking at the vision board I made in January, and I'm going, oh yeah, that was a priority to me. That was something I really wanted to happen this year, and am I working towards it? And you can even sort of add to it or change it a little bit as you go through the year, but they are so powerful. So I just wanted to encourage you guys to make one, whether you do it on Pinterest and just do a private Pinterest board, or whether you create a fun poster board like me and print stuff off the internet. You can even draw pictures. That's what my kids did. They drew pictures of things that they want to come into their life, and it's fun to see their goals and what's important to them. So just had to share this fun story with you guys. I hope you're having a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye.